Hello, friends. It's always an honor, a pleasure to be with you in this time from the days to 17 to 23 of May 2020. It's always interesting that this month dedicated to the mother brings me a beautiful story about one of the great ladies who came from another dimensions. And this lady is connected with the name, Maya name, who is, Mukuy-Kaak, Muykaak. Mukuy means in Maya dove, and Kaak means the fire. So it's the fire's dove. It's the energy who represented this energy who, according with this legend that I'm going to talk, in old times, there were many different teachers who came from another realities or dimensions, planets, constellations, as is proved, tested through the oral tradition in the Maya. One of them is the example that the Mayas connected, the four Balams or the four great teachers who descended from the Pleiades constellation. So in this same process, there is a story who said, that one day, this great woman, mother, descended from the planet Venus. And as she descended from the planet Venus, she came to the earth to bring us the tenderness, to bring us that area of the heart who is connected with the dove. And I know that everybody have listened the sound of this beautiful bird who sounds very, very connected with the heart, Actually, the Mayas have different ways to make the interpretation of the singing of this bird. For example, when it's too dry and it's too hot, this bird sing in a very special way sounds that the Maya who knows the farms, who knows the field, say, oh, it's going to be very dry tomorrow, it's going to be very hot. But at the same time, the way that they made the nest, they have predictions about the weather. If the weather is going to be very dry or wet, or the rain is coming, they check the size of the nest, and according with this size of the nest, they decided, in which way the climate or the weather is going to be for the next months. But Mukuy-Kaak came with the purpose, as these great mother teachers, women teachers in that time, to teach us about, the restoration of the heart, the connection with that tenderness, that aspect who in many people have been forgetting, not to have inside that area who is connected with the love, and precisely Mukuy-Kaak, in terms of what she means for the Maya. She is the fire's dove who is here in this time in May, precisely to guide us through these dates to transforming ourselves with that tenderness. It was so important that Mukuy-Kaak stay in the area of Uxmal, as an example, and she transit to another places like Chichen Itza, Mayapam, and the area of the Sayil, Labna, the area of the Puk, who is connected with the sacred feminine. And she was there, teaching to them until one day, she needs to come back to the sky. And that's when she said, okay, I'm going to come back to the sky, but I will let you my image, my energy, in this beautiful bird with a dove. And anytime that you listen that she's singing, remember that your mother from Venus, who came one day, is with you. And that is a beautiful story, who's connecting with that part of the heart who many people have forgot. So the Mayas, after Mukuy-Kaak returned to the Venus, they invented a beautiful song that in Maya sounds very beautiful. And the meaning of this song is trying to reconnect with her, and it's the calling, you know. Where are you? Where are you, beautiful fires dove? Where are you? Come again to us. Come again to us. And that is what this song means. You know, the return of the white dove to our hearts, the return to the white dove to our lives, to make us again to connect with the tenderness, with that part of the love who is very important to open like a child to every new thing in our lives. So I will sing, you know, this song, and then you will listen the the way that the Mayans chant. Ix'Mukuy-Kaak, tu shane, Mukuy-Kaak. Tingwila, cheteltesh, kaskaba, inkushta. Mukuy-Kaak, tu shane, Mukuy-Kaak. Tingwila, cheteltesh, kaskaba, inkushta. Mukuy-Kaak, tu shane, Mukuy-Kaak. Tingwila, cheteltesh, kaskaba, inkushta. Mukuy-Kaak, tu shane, Mukuy-Kaak. Mukuy-Kaak, tu shane means, where are you? Where are you? Beautiful fires of, you know, come again to our lives to make that aspect, you know, returning to us, to make the connection again and to restore in ourselves the tenderness. So when you see now the symbol of the dove around you, remember this story, you know, and as many of these interesting stories, she said that she's going to return. So every time when I see these doves in the archaeological sites, in our journeys close by of our ceremonies, I always remember that she is Mukuy-Kaak. She is that tenderness that we need always to remember. So I invite you to open your heart during these days and to remember, you know, that we are connected with the symbol of the mother, you know, that is always with you in your heart. Mukuy-Kaak is always in our hearts, and she is the symbol of the great dove, the white dove, who inhabits inside you. Close your eyes, and we are going to connect with the Father first, Father and Mother of the Cosmos. Thank you for this opportunity to do this meditation, these Mayan updates, remembering the story of Our Lady, our Mother, Mukuy-Kaak, the fire dove. Please allow to all of us to connect again with that special energy, with that energy of love who is inside us, to restore again our tenderness, to connect again with the symbol of the love, and to express to all the living beings and to the all people, to the all aspects of the life, to the all beings, remembering the story of herself coming to this planet from Venus, and in his honor, we call Mukuy-Kaak, Mukuy-Kaak. Come in this moment to my life, and please come to my heart, restore my tenderness, restore the area of myself, the area of my heart who has been hidden, who has been in silence. Mother Mukuy-Kaak, I call you, come, heal me in my heart, Heal me in my mind. Heal me in my being. Heal me in my organs. Heal me, Mother. You are the fire. You are the dove. Come to us. Come to us. Mother Ix'Mukuy-Kaak, we ask you with all our hearts open to come to this planet and to cover with your sacred energy, the energy from Venus to cover with music, love, joy, tenderness, this planet Earth, who is now needed of your energy, Mother. You can hear one day in this area of the Yucatan to bring your love and to open the hearts again. So we call you Mother Ix'Mukuy-Kaak to descend, to descend, to descend, and to touch all humankind, our brothers and sisters in these meditations, all the people who is working with the medicine, with the law, with astronomy, with the calendars, with mathematics, with the rituals, with meditations, with mantras, writing new ideas, new books. Bless all of them, Mother. Give us the opportunity to connect with you, Mother. Mother Ix'Mukuy-Kaak, we ask you to open your wings over our planet. This time, send the healing, send the love, send the tenderness, and the profound connection with the healing, with all the love and respect and honor to the life that you teach to us, that you taught in the past, and now you are here again. Great Mother, Divine Mother, Ix'Mukuy-Kaak, come, come, come. In the name of the Father and Mother. Protect us, heal to us, give us the opportunity to reactivate our love unconditionally, the tenderness of our hearts, to connect again with the consciousness of the cosmic love in our planet, and to see us as brothers and sisters, as a community of love and light. Thank you, Mother. you, Mother Ix'Mukuy-Kaak, for to restore the hearts of humankind, all my brothers and sisters. In this Mayan update, receive the love, the blessings, the healing, the restoration of your heart to the sacred energy of the Mother, the Lady from Venus who stay with the Mayas and stays nowadays in her spirit with us. To send love and light and abundance, kindness, peace, tenderness to all the people, to all animals, trees, mountains, rivers, lakes, waterfalls, minerals, all the flowers, all the fruits, all the caves, all the wells. Receive the love, receive the healing, receive the purification to Ix'Mukuy-Kaak, our divine sacred energy from Venus. We love you, Mother. We respect you, Mother. We honor you. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is done. So be it, so it is. Breathe slowly. Take a time to say thank you to your personal teachers, your personal guides, and remind the beautiful figure of the white dove, Ix'Mukuy-Kaak, is with you. Open your eyes. And having this beautiful month of May, remember that the Mother, Ix'Mukuy-Kaak, is always with you. Is within your heart. Be again that person that you are originally. Open your heart and offer that energy to anybody or to the ones who need you. Have a beautiful week in La Quech.